I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So on this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to get free items from Influenster. So first of all, Influenster is a company. That's the company that gives what they call voxboxes out. Now, influencer is actually a person. Now, an influencer is a person like me, you, or even someone like Kylie Jenner, Kylie Jenner, who provides information to the public about certain products and influences people to want to purchase them. So for Influenster, you do not have to be a person like Kylie Jenner that's an influencer with tons and tons of millions of followers. You can be a regular person or you can be an up-and-coming influencer. So with that said, this product is for, or this company is for anyone. So a few years ago, I actually signed up for an account with Influenster. I didn't do anything with the account. I would get emails from them saying, hey, you're on a short list for a voxbox, but I never did anything with it. It wasn't until around Christmas time that I was going through my emails and I saw a survey and I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and complete it and see what this whole voxbox influencer thing is about. That was an excellent choice. Since then, I have been receiving voxboxes all the time. I figured out a kind of formula of how to stay, I guess, relevant in the whole influencer, realm. So I want to share those tips with you in case this is something that you're interested in. And like I mentioned before, you do not have to be a big influencer. You can be a regular person. Now, if you are an up-and-coming influencer, connecting with a program or product or business like Influenster is good because it gives you the opportunity to work with these brands. And these are brands that you can put on your media kit. So you can say, hey, I've worked with, Cream of Nature. I work with Swanson's. I work with Pure Beauty products or whatever products that you get. So it is really good. So the first thing I would like to tell you to do is to sign up. It's very easy. I'll leave a link below in the discussion box to give you, or the description box below to give you the information to sign up. But it's very easy. You just have to sign up. Now, once you sign up, you need to link your social media accounts because this will create like an impact. So they want to know like how many people you can influence. So if you have, 20,000 people, or not even 20,000, let's just say 2,000 friends or 2,000 followers on Instagram, they're going to say, wow, you have a reach of 2,000. So you want to go online and you want to link all of your social media accounts. Those are the first two easy things. Third thing I want you to do is to just take reviews of things around your home. So with Influencer, it's almost like Amazon. We're going to talk about Amazon in another video. But anything you have in your home, from your Keurig machine to your shampoo to pots and pans, anything you already have in your home, you can review them on Influencer. And by reviewing things, it kind of helps with that whole influencer, the way they decide to pick, or algorithm, how they decide to pick who they're going to send these influencer boxes to. So go through and, don't kill yourself trying to do it all in one day. What I typically do is review one item one day, and it takes about 4 minutes. It could be much or sooner or lesser. But take a picture of your shampoo. Take a picture of your laundry detergent. Take a picture of whatever, and then write a review. I'm giving this 4 stars. It's a good product. Would you purchase it again? Is it easily found? Just varied things. You like the smell of it, just whatever. So just review items in your home. So do that for like 1 a day. It doesn't take a lot of time. The next thing you want to do is complete what's called snaps. Now, Influencer on your account, it will have like these questionnaires called snaps. And I'm not going to lie, they are long and hard. But once you complete them all, it gives Influencer a great overall picture of you as a person, as a consumer. What are the things you like? What are your demographics? All of that. So the snaps can be long. I didn't like them, but what I told myself I was going to do is one snap a day, because it's a lot. It's a lot of work, because they'll ask you a question like, you know, which of these products do you like? And it could be like 20 different products. And if you pick 5, they want you to review or tell them why you like all 5 of those products. So it is kind of lengthy, but once again, it helps Influencer decide what they're going to give you, you know, to match you with different products. So you want to be honest. You know, if you wear dye in your hair, you don't want to say you don't wear dye in your hair. You want to say you do, and vice versa, because you don't want to say, oh, I dye my hair, and then they send you some hair dye. Or you say, oh, I do my nails from home, and they send you some nail polish, and you don't do it from home. Then it's just kind of a waste. You don't want things that you're not going to be able to use. I mean, that's just a waste, and it's not good for the public, because they want your honest opinion. So the next thing I want to say that you should also do is participate in cashback offers. So Influencer, they're going to start off by giving you boxes and also giving you opportunities to review things, but they're not going to just send it to you. So my very first cashback offer was Zyrtex facial wipes. And I saw it in my campaign list that I had opportunity to, you know, purchase them in a store, and they were going to send me $8 or up to $8 back. So I said, well, you know what? I'm in CVS anyway. Let me just go ahead and buy this product, use it, review it, you know, upload, answer the questions they wanted me to do, which was like post a picture on Instagram, and then also review it on the Influencer app, and also make sure that my PayPal is linked. So I did that, and the PayPal, you know, the $8 reimbursement or whatever it was there like the next day. And it was so easy. And I got this free product. And it was a product that I probably would not have tried before. I didn't rate it too high, but, you know, it was interesting to try it and to be able to try it for free and then actually have the product. So that is one thing I do recommend, is those cashback offers. Now, sometimes the cashback offer may not work for you. I know at one time they was giving me an opportunity for a certain type of turkey meat, but I went online to that website and they don't even sell it in the state of Texas. So I'm like, why did you even offer this cashback offer to me? So if it is something that you want to try and it is accessible in your area, it is a good way to, you know, go ahead and try it and get that review and get that campaign onto your account with Influencer. The next thing, when you get those emails for surveys, complete them as soon as possible, because it's all about demographics. So Influencer will send you a survey and it'll say, you know, you're on the short list for a voxbox. And they want to ask you questions and just kind of narrow it down a little bit more. So you want to go ahead and answer those questions. The very last one I got the item like in 2 weeks, and I forgot about. I literally forgot about it, and it didn't even show up in my campaigns right away. I just went to the mailbox, and I was expecting another voxbox, so I opened up my mailbox, and I had 2 boxes. One of them was actually this makeup that I'm wearing. So this is actually the first day that I'm wearing this pure makeup, and I have to take my pictures in my review. But I thought, you know what? I have to put this makeup on anyway. So if you like this makeup, if you think it looks natural, and if it's, you know, something you normally would like to see me in, you know, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll include it in my review. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to, they say, is you want to participate in asking questions and asking polls. So in the Influencer app, because you are going to have to download the app too, you do most things in the app. So in the app, it gives you the option to ask questions and then also, you know, take polls. So this is something that I try to do often. Like I said, I log into the app every day, even if it's just to like some pictures or whatever. But I do log into the app every day because I want to check my campaigns to see what new things I have, because I have so many campaigns on my list. I have to like go through and swab and see which ones are new, which ones I'm going to be expecting, and so forth. So one of the things that you can do is ask a question or a poll. Sometimes some of the polls are like, are you having a good day? Yes or no? I'm like, okay, I'll answer that question. I just put yes. I don't ask those questions. Like my polls are normally something like, Do you prefer a Beats pill or the Apple AirPods or something like that? So, but there are so many people that ask so many random weird questions because they're just trying to get that interaction. And speaking of interaction, that's actually one of the things that you want to do. So in Influencer, they want to see that you are participating and you're communicating with other people, you're liking other pictures. So anytime I am in the app, I'll go through and I'll just like, you know, several comments, several pictures, several reviews. I try to do about 10 a day because it only takes like a second, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So just little things like that can really boost your influence with Influenster. So like I said before, Influencer is really good if you're starting out as an influencer and you want to have these connections with brands, or if you're just a regular person and you want to get free stuff in the mail. Because I'm not going to kid you, getting free stuff in the mail is good. I did a campaign for Swanson's, I think it was a chicken broth. And I thought, you know, I got this chicken broth. Let me kind of do something different. So I actually made this white bean chicken chili, and it was so good. So, you know, sometimes Influencer will give you an opportunity to try things that you probably never would have tried before. So I really like the chicken chili, and I'm going to make it again. I'm not a fan. I'm not a stranger to Swanson. I use our beef broth when I make like my pot roast, but I never did anything with chicken. So hey, you know, I learned something new. So I hope you got some information. If you are already an influencer and you want to follow me, I will leave my link below. It's nakeyaf. I'm thinking about changing it, but it is actually just nakeyaf. If you want to follow me, you know, I'll definitely follow you back. Also, if you have any additional questions about Influencer, leave them in the comment section below. And there are a few websites. It's not a lot, not websites, but Facebook groups. It's not a lot of Facebook groups for influencers, but there are a few. So you can go ahead and search, you know, influencer on Facebook group, and maybe you can find one. So you can be, you know, in an influencer community and learn about other ways that you can help grow your influencer account. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this information useful. So we can always continue this discussion in the comment section below. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.